So after course training, I stayed there, and I stayed nearly more than 2 decades in Germany. I studied sports for 7 years. People are participating from all over the world, like thousands of people. And I just thought that could be something for Nepal. And my thought was, what can a marathon bring to the city? I'm not giving up. I'm not tired till now. So it has been 19 years. It's still very difficult to convince people. I can help people, help athletes, help coaches, help even organizations who wants to organize events. We want not only money, support with the money, but we want that many companies associate with us, show their presence,